Hi students, today we will see about two different topics, vector instructions and issues in handling the performance. Vector instructions. So before going into vector instructions, we will see about vector processor. A vector processor is also called as an array processor, meaning so it can process the array datas. So here we have the instruction in the form of one-dimensional array. So this is called as the vector instruction, which is to be processed by the vector processor. For example, I can give you an vector instruction, so which is given by a of I plus b of I. So the vector processor can operate on this vector instruction. This is a instruction dealing with one-dimensional array. So then what about scalar processor? The scalar processor instructions operate on single data items only. That is, for example, A plus B. Okay, so this is the difference between the vector processor and scalar processor, and you come to know what is the vector instruction. So the second one, the issues in handling the performance. So if you're going to take the issues, it is one is speed up and efficiency. So if you're going to use multiple processor, then we have to calculate what is the speed, whether the speed has increased for that particular program while I have taken into account many processor, and what will be the efficiency, whether all the processor had been used effectively parallelly. So when I'm going to do the programming, if I'm going to increase the number of processor and do a multi-processing, then each processor has to be used effectively in order to increase the efficiency. So next, coming to Amdahl's law, while we write a program code, so some of the codings can be run in a parallel manner and result can be obtained, but some of the instructions cannot be run in a parallel manner, so it has to be run only in the sequential. So that is given by the Amdahl's law. So this sequential instruction may bring down the performance even if we use multiprocessor. Scalability. So while dealing with scalability, we have to build in a system such that it is scalable in future to accommodate different multiprocessors. So likewise, taking into consideration the timings for a program, we can calculate how long the program is taking to run in the processor. Sometimes this may differ because of because of some other programs running at the back. So likewise, the timings while calculation could have a change. So these are the issues while we handle the performance. Thank you.